Alright, today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to do Tyla's Truth or Dare. It's an amazing song and it's an amazing dance. So I'm going to cover that today. I'm going to break it down step by step for you guys. So I want to start with the footwork because that's basically the majority of the dance. This one, it's almost throughout the whole dance except for the very last part. So I'm just going to break that down step by step. Alright, so in order to do this move, I want you to think of your right leg as the one doing most of the work to move the left lazy leg forward. Alright, so what I mean by that is just, so most of my weight is on my right, moving my left foot slightly forward each time. Let me show it from the side as well. Alright, I want you to practice that a few times. And you can even practice doing it slightly faster if you want to. Alright? Now once you can do that, I want you to practice flicking your heel out to the side with your right leg, right? And you do that when you're lifting the left leg, alright? So as soon as this one lands, my heel on my right foot is out, okay? So just try that. Wing, and wing, and wing, and wing. Let me show it from the side as well. Wing, and wing, and wing, and wing. Alright? Now once you can do that, try to practice a bit faster, faster, and faster. And then you want to try and go a bit down in level, so bend your knees slightly, and then do the same. To the side. Alright, and then eventually you will be able to do it a bit faster. And you can control the level that you want to be in, so you can stay up here, or you can go down here. Now, if you want to exaggerate this move even more, you can do like this. Boom. All right, so turn your heel all the way in here and then out again. Bah, bah. When you do it fast, it's going to look like this. Up to you. You can also do the subtle version. All right, so make sure you know how to do the footwork and that you're super comfortable with it. You can do it on autopilot because then you can focus on the upper body. All right, now that you're ready to learn with the upper body as well, let me show you the first mini section, just a quick preview of what you're about to learn, all right? Goes like this. Tell me now you can. All right, let me break it down for you. So I want to show you an exaggerated version of it so you understand what the move is about, and then you can do it more subtle afterwards, okay? So what you want to do is basically hit with your shoulders like this. I'm just going to show it from the side. Ha, ha, ha. And this left arm here is up here. It's as if I'm trying to hit my shoulder with it, all right, without actually touching it. Ha, 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 and that's the exaggerated version. My right arm is up here as if I'm jabbing, okay? And obviously the subtle version is just to do it less. You want to do that at the same time as you're doing the legs, all right? So you want to go, ka, all right? So every time you do the jump and the flick out to the side, you want to hit, and hit, and hit, and hit. Let me show it from the side. I think it's better to do it this way. Right, so I'm going hit, and hit, and hit, and hit, and. All right. Now timing wise, she sings, "Tell me, do now you can, ka." Okay, before we start practicing, just watch me do it one time. I'm just gonna do it with the transition as well to the next bit so we get used to it, all right? Just watch. It goes like this. Tell me who now you can, and ha! So basically the transition to the next bit is just to go down, bend your knees, all right? Because the next part is doing it down here, all right? But we're just gonna practice the first bit up here. I'm gonna go. Actually, I want to sing the words before so we get used to the music, all right? So I'm going to sing, see the love from everyone, tell me. All right, so we start on tell me. Tell me, okay? Ready? See the love from everyone, tell me, boom, now you can, yeah, and down. All right, let's try that again. See the love from everyone, tell me, boom, now you can, yeah, and down. All right, minute section 2, let me show you a quick preview of what you're about to learn. All right, so we're down here in minute section 1. Minute section 2 goes boom, all right, so it's basically the same, but you're just down here, your knees are bent instead, and then you want to keep doing this move, all right? Ah, ah, ah. And you want to go, the timing is boom, truth or day, yeah, and ha. All right, so on the last one, I want to go ha. So prep, shoot. All right, so let me just show you one time, just watch, all right? So the timing goes, we're down here, nothing on the first one, truth or day, yeah, and ha. Now, if you're having trouble with the timing, just try to say to yourself a couple of times, say, boom, truth or day, yeah, and ha. Boom, truth or day, yeah, and ha. Boom, truth or day, yeah, and ha. All right, guys, let's try and practice. All right, so we're gonna start from here, and then I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go boom, truth or day, and ha. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, truth or day, and ha. Let's try that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, truth or day, and ha. All right, now let's try and practice minute section 1 and minute section 2. All right, I'm going to do a quick recap and then we're going to practice. Okay, so let me recap from the to top. It goes like this. Tell me why you can, ha, boom, truth or day, and ha. Okay, time to practice. I'm going to sing like I did before. I'm going to go, now that you can see the love from everyone, tell me. All right, that's when we start. Going to go a bit slower. Now that you can see the love from everyone, tell me who. Now you can, and ha, truth or day, and ha. Let's try that again. Now that you can see the love from everyone, tell me, boom, now you can, and that, boom, truth or day, and ha. Now, feel free to practice at your own pace if you need to, but if you're ready to move on, then let's move on to minute section 3. All right, minute section 3, let me show you a quick preview of what you're about to learn. All right, so which is the ha. From here it goes, boom, are you playing, and ha, ha, ha. All right, now let me explain. So we're just doing this walk like we normally do, and with our arm out here, okay? So we're doing boom, are you playing, and ha. All right, so as soon as I step here, I want to go flick, flick, flick. All right, 3 times. So up, middle, down. I'm just gonna do a bit slower. Just watch. All right, so we were down here. We're doing boom, are you playing, and ha, ha, ha. All right. So as soon as I'm down, I'm gonna flick, 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 flick. Okay, flick, flick, flick. Let's try that a few times. Flick, flick, flick. Okay. And then once you're ready from here, let me just recap here. I'm doing boom, are you playing, and ha, ha, ha. So again, the timing is boom, are you playing, and ha, ha, ha. Okay, let's try that. I'm gonna go a bit slow. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go boom. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, boom. Are you playing, and ha, ha, ha. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom. Are you playing, and ha, ha, ha. All right, guys, let's try and practice 1, 2, and 3, all right? So a quick recap of the whole thing here. I'm going, tell me, boom, now you can, down, boom, truth or day, and ha, boom, are you playing, and ha, ha, ha. Okay, time to practice. I'm gonna sing the bit before, so I'm gonna sing Love from everyone, tell me. Okay, so a bit slower, of course. Love from everyone, tell me. Boom. Now you can and down, boom. Truth of day and ha, boom. You playing and ha, ha, ha. Let's try that again. Love from everyone, tell me. Boom. Now you can and down, boom. Truth of day and shoot, boom. You playing and ha, ha, ha. Alright, moving on to the final bit, let me just show you a quick preview of what you're about to learn. Alright, so it goes like this. This was the end of it goes like this. Tell me, boom, na 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 na, and truth of day. Actually, there's both a girl version and then a boy version. I'm gonna show you both, alright? Now, let me break that down for you. So, what you wanna do is move your right after where. You wanna scoop up your leg here, your right leg to the left side, and also your arms follow, okay? So let me just repeat. This was end of the last mini section. From here, we want to say scoop, and then we want to bring it to the right side. All right, notice how I'm bending my knees upwards, okay? So went from here to here. Just try that a few times. Okay, so far so good. So right after where, we want to go, the arms go whoom, whoom. Okay, so went from here, down, round, up, and then to the side. Okay? Wham, 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 wham. Just try that with me. Wham, 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 wham. Alright, now with the legs are basically just doing this. Alright, but they need to follow the arms. So with this was the very beginning, we did wham, and then we're gonna go in, and then as soon as we go up here, we want to go out with the legs again, down, in, and then when we go out again, okay? So as soon as the arm is out here, your legs are out, in, out, okay? Just try that a few times at your own tempo, all right? So we'll go whoom, whoom. Okay, try that super slow in the beginning, and then you can increase the speed. Whoom. And whoom, whoom, whoom. And if you keep messing up, just try the first two, practice that a million times, then put on the third one, which is wham, and then the last one at the end, all right? So breaking down in a tempo that fits you. Okay, let me just do the last bit after that. So we've done word. Then we basically want to do it again, up, whoom. But this time, if you were up, or if you want to do the lazy version where you're standing up, you go whoop here, and then you just do left, right, back, front. Okay? Now, if you want to do the version on the floor, or girl version if you want to call it that, you do where, down. And then here you can go whoop, whoop, here, ba. Okay? I want to do the lazy version, so I'm going to stand up. So let me just recap here. We did scoop, right, middle, left, middle, hop, left, right, back, front. Now timing wise, it's the bit where she sings, tell me, doom, now you can, boom, truth or day. So let's just try and practice. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go tell me. I'm gonna go slow, of course. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tell me, boom, na 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 na, boom, ka, truth or day. Let's try that a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tell me, na 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 na, and boom, truth or dare. Again, guys, if there are some bits that you're still struggling with, feel free to pause the video and go practice that a million times and then come back, right? Now we're gonna do the whole full dance from the tip to the top. I'm gonna do a quick recap and then we're gonna practice. Okay, quick recap. It goes. Tell me boom, now you play it down, boom, truth, there, and ha, boom, you play it, and ha, ha, ha. Tell me boom, na, 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 boom, truth or dare. Alright, time to practice. I'm gonna sing, and now that you can see the love from everyone, tell me, that's where we start. I'm gonna go slow. Now that you can see the love from everyone, tell me, boom, now you can, and that, boom, truth or dare, and ha, boom, are you playing, ha, 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 tell me, boom, na, 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 and boom, truth or dare. Alright guys, let's try that again. Now that you can see the love from everyone, tell me, boom, now you can, and down, boom, truth or dare, and ha, boom, are you playing, ha, 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 tell me, boom, na, na, and boom, truth or dare. Alright guys, feel free to practice at your own pace as many times as you want to. I'm just gonna do it one last time to the normal tempo. Right? Goes like this. Now that you can see the love from everyone, tell me boom, now you can, and down, boom, truth or dare, and ha, are you playing, and ha, 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 tell me boom, na, 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 boom, truth or dare. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.